Hello, so this week we are supposed to be doing the Kinetic Sand project. I had to improvise just a slight bit. I am currently in Canada and I don't speak French, so we had a hard time finding this stuff. And I'm actually sitting in my bed at the hostel, so I have limited resources, but I wanted to try my best and submit this anyway. So kinetic sand is an example of a dilutant or non-Newtonian fluid that increases its viscosity under stress. We can be familiar with that, the non-Newtonian fluid with the oobleck. Oobleck resembles a liquid until you squeeze it or punch it, and then it feels solid. When you release the stress, oobleck flows like a liquid, and then kinetic sand is similar to the oobleck in this way. But it is also stiffer than the fluid resemblance. You can mold this kinetic sand into different shapes, but then after a few hours it kind of loses its shape. Kinetic sand, the polymer chains within the silicone oil make the sand particles stick together so you can form into a ball, and then the ball will slowly flatten out over time. So I have in my bag here the sand, the dish soap, and the cornstarch. I'll show you. Trying to do the best with the limited resources I have here. So I have some water. I'm going to add this to my mixture. Right. I'm going to just try to mix it up to form the kinetic sand. It's starting to stick just a little bit. So the sand I bought was it was the only sand I could find, and it was a lot grainier, more like salt. So I think that might be one of the main reasons it's not mixing together well, and also the very limited resources I have at the time. But I gave it my best shot, and